Model, 2001 Iveco Daily 29L11VH2 with B3000 starts drives long MOT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 126027. MOT, the 21st of July 2025. Engine, 2798 cc J7 AFQ. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Coolant is pressurizing. Could be water pump issue, worst case head gasket not sure. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, 2 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.